All right, so I picked up this alarm clock. XKX is the seller. Um, so I'm really hoping this actually has white noise because I've picked up a couple that claim they have white noise and it really doesn't and doesn't work very well. So I am really looking for a alarm clock that has white noise on it. So I'll see 5-watt speaker. That ought to be relatively loud, I would certainly think. I guess it's going to look like that. So brand, this says YOUHUTECH, Yohu Tech, maybe. There's their model number. So I guess that's the brand, and there's the XKX is the seller apparently, I guess. So runs on gets power from USB, but has a special little pluggy doodad. That's unfortunate. Be nice if it was just USB-C and more standard, but guess I will live with that. Please tear the screen protective film before using. Plug DC cable in the bottom, and then I guess it has a nice little channel out there. Okay, and good grippy feet. So really small. So we got 1, 2, 3. It's less than 3 1/4. So what, 3 1/8-ish or so? Square, and possibly even, which am I measuring? So that way, cube. It's a pretty much a cube plus the feet. So I made it a little bit less um, than perfect cube. But okay, well, that was our screen protector. So it looks like the controls are pretty self-explanatory on there. 24-hour clock. I don't really need the alarm on there per se because I just tend to use my phone. But so buttons for the alarm clock up here, buttons for the speaker down here. And it does say it has a timer. I hope it will just run all night because that's what I'm hoping for. If not, I'm going to be sad and frustrated with that. So, Bluetooth. I'm not really sure I'm going to need Bluetooth, but you can do that. So, well, pairing on the Bluetooth, I'm not sure I'll even do that because it's not real important to me. I just want the time on there and the ability to do the white noise. So you can adjust the brightness, which I'm hoping it goes way, way, way low, if not even off. That would be great. How to set the time. I don't think it has a battery backup. I'm not certain. Um, so setting the alarm, which it may or may not use. Stopping the alarm. Guess that would be important. Snoozing. Bluetooth and natural sound. Okay, so buttons on front. The speaker, so we'll that and switch into nature sound. Use the play pause to do it. So we can use the volume buttons. Press the long press on the volume button to switch to the next natural sound. Okay. Gotcha. Setting the sleep timer. When it's on, hold the timer for 2 seconds and we'll go into timer mode. But hopefully it will turn off the timer initially and just play all night. That's the goal. So Looks pretty straightforward, so guess I should try plugging it in, and let me see if this will reach to grab some USB power here. Plug it in correctly, that would be super. Okay. And like I said, cord just clips right in there, so that's nice. And hey, it's Sunday at 12 o'clock. Not really, but um, let's see if I can learn how to do this. Time set. Um, Maybe I should have paid attention to the instructions and not just breeze by. Setting the time. Press and hold 2 seconds. There we go. Nice. And what, use the plus minus. So what? All right. Press it again, go to minutes. So there we are, and what? Press that, and there we are. Sunday, it is not, it is Monday. So there we go. Don't really need to know the day on my alarm clock, but now brightness. It's under normal condition, press plus and minus. Okay, so that was, ooh. So not crazy bright, which I don't really even want, and it will go totally off. That's nice. So we like it really, really dim. So far I'm really, really happy with that. Again, I'm not really going to play with pairing and alarm so much, but I do want to play with that. And that sounds like white noise. So I'm probably going to have to take my headset off for you to actually hear these. So let me work on doing that and see if I can record these for you. So let me just pause that for now and try to take the headset off. All right, so let me see if I can play some of these sounds for you. So that's max volume on there. If I hold this, go to the next setting. Interesting. Feel like you're camping. Being attacked by seagulls. No, just kidding. So I got 3 ends left, so I have to go backwards. And I'll only go backwards one at a time, I think. The ocean. Campfire, I think. White noise. That's pretty loud. So, I need to pause. So, the real question will be, it'll play all night. And we can go into timer. Timer is on, so let's see if I can Timer off. Okay, timer on. Wow, figured that out. So, I am really happy with this. Nice and tiny. The only thing I would have loved, one of the ones I tried, had wireless charging on there. Would be really, really nice. But it also didn't play white noise and didn't play all night and things like that. So, really do like this. I really wish that had been just a regular USB-C type connector instead of something weird, proprietary, because now you only have so much cord length to get to power, whereas you can get really long USB-C chargers. But oh well, I will live with it. And and I think we can go 12 or 24-hour clock. I'm in the US, so I'll stick to the 12-hour time that I'm used to. So there we go. I am pleased. Hope that is a helpful look for you. Have a great day. Take care, or happy sleeping and whatever, and waking up and whatever you need. Take care.